it's Treu with Treu Group Real Estate, and welcome to my new fitness area in my home. Like many of you, I needed to find space where I could work out on a daily basis due to COVID-19. After my gym closed, I realized I needed to have more control over the ability to do what I needed to do to stay healthy and fit. What was I going to do? I had an idea. Let me take an unused space in my home and turn it into something that I can use almost every single day. Like many people, I had a loft area that was hardly ever used. And I thought, let's make that my new fitness area. There were many benefits to doing that. First of all, it's open anytime that I have time to do my workout. The other benefit is it's more efficient. I wake up, put my workout clothes on, and I'm at the gym in a couple of minutes at most, from wake up to workout. What do you do if you want to create a more usable space, such as your fitness area? Here's the steps. Number one, walk around your home and see if there's an area that is not being used that could be repurposed. Maybe a fitness area or an extra area for work or for study for the kids. Then decide what you need to put into that area to make it function the way, not just to get by, but to bring out the best in you. With my home gym, the first thing I needed to do is figure out cardio options. Now, since I live in Florida and we have great weather almost year round, I decided that I would get a Peloton bike and then I could walk or run outside. I would have two ways to get cardio in: the bike or walking and running outside. The next decision is, what was I going to do for strength training? Well, I fell in love with Beachbody. It's an online series of programs. Depending on your interest and your skill level, there truly is something for everyone. Again, I can do it any time of the day. I don't have to wait for a scheduled class. It's on my time. To do that, I needed a couple of things. Having a TV where you can hook your phone or your computer to it so it's bigger was a huge plus for me. It made me feel like the instructor was right there in my space. Now here was the hard part. Remember when weights were impossible to find? I needed weights. I was patient and persistent and was able to find all the weights I needed for my current program, which is 80-Day Obsession. Now, I like things a little pretty and organized. I needed a place to store all my stuff. I didn't just want it laying on the floor. I went and bought a storage unit where I could keep my weights and my bands and my sliders and my cycling shoes. So when I come up here, I feel inspired because the space is pretty as well as functional. I was able to find little cubby inserts that allowed me to hide the things I didn't want to see on a daily basis. And then the last piece was lighting and my mirror. I was able to get a fan with a light and a mirror so I can check form. This was a pretty easy conversion, and honestly, it's a space I use every day and I love it. I encourage you to look at what you need and where you can put that and create a space that you love too. Now, these tips go for whether you have a home that you love or you're buying a home, it's important to take a look at your current needs due to COVID-19 and find the space that makes your life better, makes you healthier, happier, and maybe inspired. If I can help you come up with any ideas of how to make your new home or your existing home work for you, I'm here. All you have to do is call me, 561-352-3056. Have a great day.